I am Sundar, second BCom B from KCS Kasinalar College of Arts and Science, Department of Commerce, batch 2019 to 2022. Today we talk about lease finance and hire purchase. Lease finance definition. According to the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, a lessee is an agreement whereby the lessor conveys to the lessee in return for rent the right to use an asset for the agreed period of time. Meaning of hire purchase. A transaction of finance whereby goods are bought and sold as per the terms and conditions specified below is known as hire purchase finance. Payment of periodic installments, immediate possession of goods by the buyer, ownership of goods remaining with the vendor until the payment of the last installment. Define hire purchase definition. According to the Hire Purchase Act of 1972, the term hire purchase is defined as an agreement under which goods are let on hire and under which the hirer has an option to purchase them in the accordance with the terms of agreement and include an agreement under which. Difference between lease finance and hire purchase. Lease finance, hire purchase. Ownership. Ownership of the property lies with the finance company, the lessor, and it is never transferred to the lessee, the user. Ownership of the property is transferred to the hirer on the payment of the last installment. Depreciation. Lessor and not the lessee is entitled to claim depreciation tax shield. The hirer lower is entitled to claim depreciation tax shield. Capitalization. Capitalization of the asset is done in the books of the lessor, the leasing company. Capitalization of the asset is done in the books of the hirer. Salvage value. The lessor and not the lessee has the right to claim the benefit of salvage value. The hirer can claim benefit of salvage value as the prospective owner of the asset. Income. Lessor income declines as the investment outstanding in the lessee declines. In the case of hire purchase transaction, finance charges are allotted to the hire purchase period equally. Reporting. In the books of the lessee, leased assets are disclosed by the way of a note only. The asset bought on the hire purchase bill shown as an asset and the amount of the installments payable to the lessor as a liability. Payment. The entire lessee payments are eligible for tax computation in the books of the lessee. Only the higher interest is eligible for tax computation in the books of the hirer. Down payment. No down payment is required for acquiring the uses of the lessee asset. Down payment is required to be made for the acquiring the asset and there is a margin maintained to the extent of 20 to 25%. Thank you. Have a nice day.